I'm going to show you how to avoid tolls in Waze mobile application. In this video I'm going to use Android phone, so let's get started. First step, open the app and then simply go here and click on these three horizontal lines in the corner. Next step, settings. Then go navigation, and here you can simply tap on avoid tolls. Under this option you can see toll and passes. If you click on it, you can see local passes. If you have some, you can simply add your passes, and now you know you can go to the next country. You got this pass, you got your ticket. I'm going to show you one more time real quick. So after you open the app, three horizontal lines in the corner, settings, then navigation, and here just simply click on avoid tolls. Also here you can avoid freeways, highways, and that's it. This is how can you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or like, and if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, and see you later.